Right now we are testing the irrigation system by going around and making sure that the sprinklers pop up and work properly. Today is a major milestone. We're done with the site work and we are doing the punch walk. And you have this also. The punch walk is basically walking around, checking all the work that has been done and coming up with a list of items that needs to be corrected, which we call the punch list.
They need to repair these and fix this area.
Punch list is important to make sure that we're giving the voters the best value of their money. Does this need adjustment? In this project, so far we had 3 inside the building in the different wings and 1 for the exterior of the building, and today is the last punch walk, which is checking everything outside the building. We're gonna look at the paving and the striping. We're gonna check the school entrance and the canopy where the parents drop and pick their kids. We also look at the site accessories like the lighting, the bike racks. We're gonna check the sidewalks, make sure that everything is ADA compliant. We're gonna test the irrigation, check all the plantings, the covered play area, also the turf and the play equipment. I'm proud of being part of this project. This school is a great addition to Beaverton School District, and it's here to stay with generations to come. I think we can say like we're at the 95% completion point of the project. It is just amazing to see it come through completion from conceptual design. It's like 5 years in the make. We've been planning for this since like 2021. We've been on site since like 2024, so definitely a very exciting moment. Huge milestone.